What are we at? We're at McDowell Park.
McDowell Park.
And we're gonna use our bug catcher.
Some bugs. And put them in here. And this says, and you catch them. Okay.
There's Hannah's. Woohoo!
As you know, guys, these came with one of the bug catchers. They come with these. So they open and close. As you know, they did have locks, but they're pretending. So these are one of the catchers. You catch them, and then we're done. So we forgot to food what all of the ants eat, but all the worms. Have some worms for a bird. So we have baby eggs.
Hold on, Noah found fish. There's fish. Yeah, there's a sign. It says there's fish in the water. Look, Noah, that's why Barbara's fishing. See, look. And they're fishing.
So guys,
everybody's fishing. They're trying to catch the fish.
I was trying to catch a fish under the water. The big ant that we're catching.
Okay, let's catch it. Oh, there's one. Catch him.
Catch it, catch it.
Catch him. Are you gonna catch that one? He's gonna get him.
He escaped.
He escaped. How are you gonna get him?
No.
We're catching ants, guys. We're catching ants.
Oh, he's gone. What's wrong?
This is the dude that we caught. He's huge. Oh, that's a big ant. Yeah, Noah's getting some more. Oh, we're going this way. All right, Hannah, where are we going?
Let's find a worm.
No, let's go find a worm.
Guys, the next creature that we're looking for is a worm. If you guys see a worm, let us know and comment down below. Yes.
Yeah, see a worm, let us know. All right, it's a beautiful day today. There's Noah.
Whoa.
Hi. He's fishing. Barbara's fishing. Did you catch fish?
And the lady.
Yeah.
She just caught a
So cute. They're fishing. What do you guys think? You want to go fishing one day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we don't have our fishing nets.
We need the fishing poles. Yeah. Let's keep walking. It's like a little trail. What do you think, BB? Show them what you got in your... Oh! Show them what you got.
2 potato bags.
Oh, you okay, Noah? Oh. Look at your fish.
Does fish bite?
Is that fish boy? I don't know. Good job. Oh, you guys, it says Waterfront Deck, Kingfisher Trail. Which way should we go?
This way.
That way.
So what is this sign? So be careful if you guys went this way. Okay, guys, if you guys went that way, look.
That's a trail.
If you guys went that way, that would be...
Yeah, so this sign, here, no, I'll read it. It says Waterfront Deck, Kingfisher Trail. So the trail is that way, and the waterfront deck, where our blanket is this way. So we're going to go this way. I'm gonna get you. Does it feel good? Oh. Oh. Yeah, I see that. So cool. shells.
Hey guys, as you know, I am switch places, and I'm with my brother. He's kind of funny. Okay, my brother catch an ant, big ant, and I catch the big ant a bug. We were trying to catch we were trying to catch a worm, but I don't know. My mom is here back, guys.
Hi! We got Purell. Wash your hands before we eat. We're gonna Purell our hands. Our child said bye. We're gonna eating the lunch. She's eating the berries. She's eating. Show me your sandwich. Which one do you like better? Blueberries or strawberries? Blueberries. From the mom.
A boat!
It's a little boat called a wave runner. Wave runner. Yeah, those are so cool. They just came in. Hi, wave runner. They're checking out the scenery.
Oh, a speedboat.
It's a baby speedboat. There he goes. And there's a kayak too, way over there, if you can see them. They're kind of by the little bridge. Oh, it's so lovely. And the water and the waves. You can just listen to it.
Oh no!
So lovely. There's a boat out there. Can you guys see it? There it is. And another boat. And the buoys. There's my babies. Come on, let's go back this way.
Watermelon.
Ooh, what are those? Show us. She's a cat. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Whoa, look, there's a path that way. Wow. And then there's a path this way.
And there's stairs over there.
And stairs.
So Miss Rindelman, if you're watching, I miss you so much.
Oh.
And guess what? I didn't tell you a secret that I love you.
Oh, she loves you.
That I love school. What?
What did we find?
A car.
A dead end to the car means it's time to go.
What?
Bye, bye.
Can you grab your iPad for a second?
Yep.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
We're gonna let the bugs out.
Show us your bugs one last time. Show them, Hannah.
They pooped in my jar.
Show them what you got. What you got? What? Wait. Oh, no. Close it. All right, no, show us yours. He's gonna show you his. He got a really big. Where is he? Oh my goodness. He's like saying, "Let me out." Where'd he go? A really big ant, guys. He's huge.
I think he wanted to get out. I think he wanted to get to his mom.
Yeah. All right, and Hannah's. We didn't do close up on Hannah. She's got like potato bugs. They're so cute. They've already been pooping. All right, let's let him go free. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let him go, Hannah.
Be free.
Whoa. Be free. Okay, I hope that's free. All right, Noah, let your guy be free. Don't let him crawl on you. He might bite you. Let him go free. Put him in the grass or something. Or in the... Oh.
Ah, he's out of water. Ah!
Oh, there he is. Bye, big guy.
I'm stepping.
No, don't step on him. Noah! Oh, you killed it. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh.